The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Author Le Man Dung, Vietnam, 72 years old. Own 25 math programming books from grade 1 to university, college on Amazon.com, USA. Copyrighted 13 books, including Maths College and University. Copyright registration in Vietnam on the 30th of June 2023. Reference: www.lemanding.com. Contact: prald11052023@gmail.com. Guide university and college math students to make their own software. According to the Vietnamese-style algorithm. Simple, easy, fun, effective. It was a surprise and a surprise. Not surprising. Plus no programming language is used. Plus write it yourself, use it yourself, and even share it with the world full of technology. Plus even children from first grade can do it. Plus the world today only has 72-year-old Dung. Vietnamese people own this masterpiece. Who is Mr. Le Man Dung? Plus graduated from Hanoi University of Mathematical Education, Vietnam since 1976. Plus informatics engineer at Hanoi Open University, Vietnam in 1997. Plus mathematical programming from Pascal language. Then Delphi to Microsoft C#.net. Plus although the above programming languages are very good and classy, not everyone can learn and do them. The world still has a lot of people doing math and teaching but also poor. Plus students. Students too, save money to study successfully. Plus where is the money that they pursue software engineering? Plus after they write it down, who will buy from them? So is Mr. Le Man Dung so talented. Plus Mr. Dung doesn't have much talent because he has 2 university degrees, but he doesn't have a master's or doctorate degree. Plus he is not as conservative as the 72-year-olds of his time. Plus he always thinks positively. What does it take to help children learn math around the world less hard? Suffering because of lack of education? What does Mr. Le Man Dung think? Plus Mr. Dung gave up mathematical programming to make software in C#.net, although it was more or less successful, but it was still expensive, and who bought the product? Most are still poor. Plus he worked hard to find a mathematical programming solution based only on algorithms, regardless of any programming language, even though it is free. And he succeeded because. Plus he persisted in following the chosen path of creating his own programming language, his own Vietnam, his hometown. Plus he was sponsored by the supreme beings in the universe to have health and a mathematical civilization in outer space. Plus no wonder there are conservative mathematicians they don't understand. While young children understand his programming problems are simple, easy, interesting, effective. Mr. Le Man Dung believes that. Plus with my own efforts, the support of the supreme being in the universe, with the support of civilized mathematics in the universe, we will definitely achieve our goals. Plus update math software of Vietnam, Mr. Le Man Dung will shine around the world. That day is not far away. Plus the math software self-writing championship contest initiated by Vietnam plus the United States will become a reality around the world not far away. Plus contribute more 62 mathematical programming books edited by Mr. Laman Dung. Plus a team of disciples with university degrees or above help with their names and receive royalties 1/2 of these 62 books. Week 1. On the tablet. Maths College and University. On the phone Smart. Paperback book. Inspiring Mathematics. Solve math by programming. Mathematical Civilization Outer Space. Maths College and University Programming. Topic: refer to 7 maths exercises about matrix, determinant, inverse matrix. The method of future. Simple, easy to understand, interesting and effective. Author's dedication to this book. Would like to donate college and university workbook, Solve Math by Programming, Mathematical Civilization in Space for young people around the world. You will be the owner of a peaceful, happy and prosperous world in the future. May you receive the power of a cosmic mathematical civilization for the economic success of yourself, your family, and your land, country and world, all mankind on our whole dear planet. Table of contents includes 7 programming exercises. Table of contents includes 7 programming exercises. Day 1. Sample exercise: Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices, consists of 6 parts. 1. Algorithm. 2. Traditional solutions. 3. Program solution. 4. Replicating. 5. Mind map. 6. Creative inspiration. Day 1. Sample exercise: Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices. 1. Algorithm: the key to successfully solving an exercise. White hat thinking. Put on your white thinking hat to discover algorithms. 1. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices. 2. Traditional solutions. Specific algorithms to solve problems in a scientific and logical way. Green hat thinking. Put on the green thinking hat to explore the traditional solutions. 1. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices. 3. Program solution. Based on traditional algorithms or solutions to solve problems rewritten with the same letters as the given one. That requires your creativity, logic and rationality. Yellow hat thinking. Put on your yellow thinking hat to discover program solution. Day 1. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices. Pause the screen to see the details of each article cloned. 4. Replicating. Develop a series of similar problems by giving a lot. Yellow hat thinking. Put on your yellow thinking hat to explore replicating. Day 1. Sample exercise. Solve math by programming. Exercise 1A. Calculate the product of 2 matrices. Pause the screen to see the details of each article cloned. 5. Mind map. To create or match the first problem of a new higher level. Think dark green hat. Put on your dark blue thinking hat to explore the mind map. 6. Creative inspire. You can express your comments about the process recently? Red hat thinking. Put on your red thinking hat to discover creative inspire. Plus you can develop your first X with actions, algorithm, solution, programming, replicating, mind mapping, inspiration. Plus the algorithm has the key to solve this problem. Plus traditional solutions, you are the one who learns how to solve. Plus program solution, you are the referrer. Plus replicating, you can choose any X according to the previous program. Plus mind mapping is the way you can choose to form a programming style that includes many X's from the very beginning. Plus creative inspiration is a feeling. Comment. Exercise 1a. This is an exercise to calculate the product of two matrices according to the principle mxn, m rows, n columns, xnxp, n columns, p rows, equals mxp, m rows, p columns. In exercise 1a, m equals 3 and n equals 1 or n equals 3. Data on them are widely distributed across countries, schools, and institutions. Mainly number exercises. The Outer Space Math Pioneers recommends sharing with the younger generation how to calculate and store them using simple and efficient software. Microsoft's Excel spreadsheet. Day 1. Practical solve math by programming. Exercise 1b. Calculate the product of two matrices. Buy books now. Buy a lifetime course. For math or human students. Have a university degree in math, age 30 or under is $500 USD. Guide to buy college and university math books. Week 1 on Amazon.com. Type in the browser www.amazon.com. Plus type in the search box. Solve math by programming. Maths college and university programming. The teacher includes a package to learn math and programming for Level 1, Primary, 2, Middle School, 3, High School, 4, Colleges and Universities. Practice with a teacher to write a book right away. Learn where, practice there. Learning books bought on Amazon.com enough for Level. Good type of qualification. After 1 year is granted. A degree. Gold medal type. The type of qualification is good. After 2 years. The degree is granted. Silver medal type. Average level of qualification. After 3 years. Bronze medal type. Plus will establish Math Education Group. Studying Software, Math Software Academy Learn. Plus Global Economic Rescue Corporation. Plus the promotion of officials on the basis of student evaluation won gold, silver and bronze medals. Plus in 2023 training plan for Vietnamese students are 100, United States and the remaining countries are 100 plus. So, which candidate has a current level of studied math at university and graduated university less than equals 30 years old? Then hurry up to reserve your spot. Plus registration deadline is from now until September 30th. 2023, or earlier, because the number is 100 in Vietnam or the United States. Countries English speaking is enough. 100. So please consider and register quickly. Life to fulfill your dreams is also a dream. Dream that Vietnam and the United States become the world's leader in mathematical programming. Popularized to the future generation of the global economy. Stop anytime at 100 given numbers. Vietnam or USA and countries. Let's aim 100. Plus the contestants will have the prospect of winning medals. Will be allowed to participate in the programming exam by the teacher. International Mathematics Year 2024 will be held for students in grades 1 to 12. All contact with the teacher via email. prald11052023@gmail.com. Plus remember to visit the website www.lemonding.com. Plus goodbye parents and children. Good success. Or wish you great success. The math-solving revolution starts to break out in Vietnam, America. Author Le Man Dung, Vietnam, 72 years old. Own 25 math programming books from grade 1 to university, college on Amazon.com, USA. Copyrighted 13 books, including Maths College and University. Copyright registration in Vietnam on the 30th of June 2023. Reference: www.lemonding.com. Contact: prald11052023@gmail.com.